हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज की वीडियो में मैं आपको दो लुक्स दिखाऊंगी राखी के लिए। बोथ आर वेरी सेंटर्ड अराउंड द आईज़, तो ये आप मास्क के साथ भी पहन सकते हैं। तो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द फर्स्ट लुक। सबसे पहले मैं थोड़ा सा स्किन केयर प्रेप करूँगी। आई एम यूजिंग द लॉरियल रिवाइटलिफ्ट क्रिस्टल माइक्रो एसेंस। दिस इज़ लाइक अ टोनर, इट्स वेरी हाइड्रेटिंग और स्किन को काफ़ी सॉफ्ट बनाता है। नेक्स्ट आई एम यूजिंग one of my favorite moisturizers, the Calendula one from the Face Shop. This works really well for my combination skin. Now because I have dark circles, I'm using an orange corrector. अगर आपके moderate to deep dark circles हैं तो केवल concealer doesn't work. You need an orange corrector like this. तो जहाँ जहाँ भी आपके फेस में डार्कनेस है या पिगमेंटेशन है वहाँ पे यू कैन यूज़ दिस। आई हैव यूज़ दिस अराउंड माई आईज़, अराउंड माई माउथ और चिन एरिया में जहाँ भी थोड़े स्पॉट्स और ब्लेमिशेस हैं, ऑन दोज एरियाज एज वेल। Next, I'm taking a liquid highlighter and I'm using this all over my skin. क्योंकि ये फाउंडेशन के नीचे रहेगा, this is going to give you a soft glow all over the face. और क्योंकि ये festive look है, a glow on the skin always looks nice. Next step में I'm going to use foundation. I'm using my current favorite, which is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte. I use the shade 106. The reason I like this so much is that ये मास्क में ट्रांसफ़र नहीं होता, ये लॉन्ग लास्टिंग है। मॉनसून्स में my skin gets quite sweaty and oily और dewy foundations don't generally stay, लेकिन ये foundation stays very well और इसका coverage भी काफ़ी अच्छा है, about medium to high coverage. So that's why I've been using this foundation very often, especially for festive looks जब आपको थोड़ा long lasting और high coverage foundation चाहिए. This one works really well. Next step is concealer. I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible. Again, like the foundation, this concealer is also long lasting and high coverage. तो इसको मैं inner corner में specially use कर रही हूँ because that is the darkest area of my eye, and also using it towards the outer corner where I have some pigmentation. Highly recommend this concealer अगर आपको चाहिए something which has a matte finish, which is long lasting and which gives you good coverage. Now coming to the brows, I'm using the Brow Artist Pencil by L'Oreal. आप इस स्टेप के लिए कोई भी पेंसिल या पाउडर या वैक्स, whatever works for you, you can use anything. The idea is just to give a slightly fuller look to your brows. Next step, काजल. I'm using a brown काजल. अगर आपने मेरे previous videos देखे हैं तो आप जानते हैं मुझे brown काजल या purple या plum colors बहुत पसंद हैं. The thing is, day टाइम में स्पेशली ब्राउन लुक्स क्वाइट सॉफ्ट, बट वो स्टिल आपको इंटेंसिटी देता है और ब्लैक जितना हार्श लुक नहीं देता. तो इसको आई हैव स्मज्ड इट अलोंग माई अपर लैश लाइन एंड आई एम गोइंग टू स्मज इट अलोंग माई लोअर वाटर लाइन एज वेल. The kajal I'm using here is by Chambor. Chambor kajals are very soft, creamy, very pigmented और इस टाइप का smudgy look के लिए this kind of formula is ideal. Next, I'm going to take a liquid eyeshadow which has some shimmer. This one is by Wet n Wild or like you can see, it's very easy to use. Just apply the product और finger से थोड़ा सा spread कर सकते हैं to give a slightly more diffused look और instantly ये eyes को shine देता है. You don't need a brush to apply this. It's very easy and simple, but it still gives you that really nice sparkle and shine to the eyes, and it's also quite long lasting. Now to finish off the eye makeup, I'm going to use mascara. I never skip on mascara, and in a minute you will just see what a difference mascara makes to the eyes. I'm using the Chambor Volumeyes. This is one of my favorites. Another drugstore option which you can try is L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Both of these are really good mascaras that give you a lot of volume. So I've used this on the top and the bottom lashes. eyes, and you can see this just makes such a difference. Opens up the eye, makes the eye look bigger, so don't skip mascara. Now coming to the blush, I'm using this matte pink blush by Colorbar. This works really nicely क्योंकि मेरे outfit में भी थोड़ा सा pinkish tone है, and I'm going to use a soft nude pink colored lipstick, and you always want to keep your lipstick and your blush in a similar color category. To highlight, I'm using actually an eyeshadow from this Makeup Revolution palette, और इस palette को मैं second eye makeup look के लिए भी use करूँगी. Right now I'm just using it to highlight my cheekbones, highlight the inner corners, and to finish off the look now, we just need a lipstick. और मास्क के कारण आई एम फोकसिंग मोर ऑन द आईज दीज डेज, इसलिए आई हैव चोजन अ न्यूड लिपस्टिक. दिस इज़ रोजी पिक्चर बाय शुगर. ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स विल बी लिंक्ड इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स इफ़ you want to check them out or buy any of these. And that is the final finished look. Super simple to do, very quick, very fast, very long lasting, and still has that shine and sparkle that we want for a festival. Now let's move on to the second look. Second look mein base, lipstick, blush, everything is same as the first look. Keval the eye makeup is going to be different. Once again I'm starting with the Chambor dark brown kajal. ये मैंने first look में भी use किया था. Again I'm smudging this to create some intensity and a nice dark base in the outer corner of my eye. Next I'm taking that matte burgundy color for the outer corner, और crease में मैं वो orange और yellow colors को mix करूँगी to diffuse the colors a little bit. I'm placing that burgundy color exactly where I have smudged the brown kajal, so just building on the intensity in the outer corner. And with a fluffy brush, I'm just softening the colors in the crease. So I'm taking a little bit of that orange and that mustard yellow color from the palette, and I'm using it in the crease to give it a little bit of a gradient. Next, let's move to the color with the sparkle. I'm using that burgundy color और मैं इसको finger से apply कर रही हूँ. किसी भी colors में जब shimmer होता है तो fingers are the best way to apply because that is how you get the maximum color. इस burgundy color को मैं almost all over the lid apply कर रही हूँ. Inner part of the eye में मैं rose gold color use कर रही हूँ from the same palette just to give a brightness in the inner part of the eye. Lower lash line को थोड़ा definition देने के लिए और थोड़ा सा shine के लिए I'm using the lid color, that same burgundy color with shine. For upper lash line, a थोड़ा सा brown kajal just to give intensity near the lashes, and then finishing off with mascara using the same mascara as the first look. And then to complete the look, for this look I'm also going to use a pair of false lashes. These are Pro number 5 lashes from Pack. Pack makes one of the best affordable lashes. They are really good quality, the designs are really nice, I really like them. For highlighter I'm using that same light gold color जो मैंने first look में use किया था. I'm taking the highlighter all the way up towards my temples, and that is the final finished look. It's a soft smoky burgundy eye with nice fluttery lashes. तो ये थे 2 looks for Rakhi. Let me know in the comments आप कौन सा look try करेंगे for Raksha Bandhan this year. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon in my next video on Wednesday next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.